Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I am going to design this product card that is very beautiful. And first of all, here we have one heading, the product title, and after that we have a detailed paragraph, and after that we have a buy now button, and after that on the right side we have a shirt. Here you can put any type of image. For now I just put there a shirt image. So okay guys, before starting this video I will request you that please subscribe to my channel. So okay guys, let's get started. First of all, here we have one file for the HTML and one image that I used in this product card. So okay guys, let's get started. First of all, I am starting with the simple HTML. First of all, I am taking one div with the pro card. Inside this pro card I am going to take one class with the pro image. Inside this pro image class I am going to take our image. I am going to take one more div with the class of pro details, and inside this I am going to take one heading of product title, and after this heading I am going to take our paragraph. Let me copy this paragraph from here and just paste it right here inside the p tags. After that I am going to take our button with the type of button buy now, and with the class of btn. So okay guys, this is just our HTML, and now I am going to design the CSS for this markup sheet. So okay guys, I am going to take our style tag inside the head. First of all, I am going to take our universal tag, that is padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing is border box. And after that I am going to take our body color. The background is like gray and whatever you want to take. The background color I am going to take E2, DB and DB. This is actually our background color. Now let me see the output for this. So here you can see we just have our image and the background color. Now let me design our card with the white background. First of all, I am going to take this class, the pro card. Let me design this. First of all, I am going to take the background color, that is white, and our width, that is our maximum width will be 550 pixel, and minimum height will be 400 pixels. And after that I am taking our margin 0 auto, and margin top will be 50 pixel, and the margin bottom is 150 pixels. And after that I am going to take our color with brown and whatever you want to take, but here I am going to take this color, and if you want to change this color then you can change. And after that I am going to take our font weight, that is bold, and text line will be centered. Font size will be 18 pixels, and the position will be relative. So this is our pro card, and let me see the output for this. So here we have this output, and now let me design all of this. And after that I am going to take the product details. For that I am going to take the class of pro details. Let me copy the class from the HTML. This is our class for the pro details. Now let me paste it right over here. First of all, I am going to take the width, that is 53%, and float left, and the height will be like 100%, and the padding left, right and top, that is 30 pixels. And after that I am going to take our H1. Let me design the H1. For that I am going to use the color of black color, and margin bottom will be 35 pixel, And after that I am going to design our button. For that I am going to take the width of 150 pixel and the height will be like 50 pixels. The margin top will be 20 pixels, and the background color here I am using, the background color is like a hashtag 337AB and 7, that is our background color. And the border radius will be 0, border will be none, and outline will be also none. And after that I am using the box shadow, that is 2 pixel, 2 pixel and 7 pixel, the lightweight of this background color. After that I am going to design the pro image div. Here let me copy this class from this div and paste it right over here. Let me design this. First of all I am taking the position, that is absolute, and the right margin will be minus 20 pixel and the top will be like minus 40 pixel. And after that I am going to design, let me decrease the size of the image, and the maximum width of this image is 400 pixel. So okay guys, this is enough. Let me see the output after this all. So now here you can see this is our output, and if you want to change the font family as like this, then you can use the font family. For the font family you can use the Google Font website. From there you can change the font family as well. So for now it's over. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.